Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to download NerdWallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First thing to do is to launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. Also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. In the search box, as soon as you open up your App Store or your Play Store, type in NerdWallet. Once you look for the search result, you will be able to see this application in the search result. Tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. NerdWallet is a valuable resource for making informed financial decisions. It provides credit card comparisons, high-yield online saving accounts, and help you make smarter financial choices by providing side-by-side comparisons, objective ratings, and trusted expertise. After waiting for a couple of while, you will be able to download and install NerdWallet on your device quickly and easily. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.